say hi. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Howard. How are you doing today? In today's video, I will be doing my beautiful daughter's hair. Daddy, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so what I'm doing today, I'll be doing a simple hairstyle on my daughter's head. And I'm actually doing this because it saves me money. If I have to go do her hair at the salon, I will be paying $150 to $200. But today, I'll be turning my beautiful daughter's hair into another glam. This is a way to save yourself money without breaking the bank and also to look good. And to make her hair today, I will be using a couple of materials. Let's see. So the hair is wet. I'll have to dry it, blow dry it, then we'll start. But before then, let me show you what I'll be using. Debbie, can you say hi again? All right. So to make my daughter's beautiful hair, here are a couple of stuff that I will be using. First, I have this band that I will be putting on the hair. And I also have this cocoa band. I actually got this. 12 of these cost 600 naira, which is less than 50 cents. 12 of these cost less than 50 cents. And also I'll be using this band too. I have my comb and I'll be adding this oil, and I will be using this olive miracle leave-in condition to twist the hair together. So these are the stuff I will be using to make our hair, and let's go. Okay.